What we intend to do is to introduce legislation, House Bill 2416, that would actually require all motorists to stop and then yield to pedestrians in crosswalks. And the fines would be raised from 50 to 200 if they don't do that, which would include a school zone. What we found today, too, is there's been an increase in awareness and educating the public with school crosswalks, not in schools as well, that there's a real need for public education, safety education in these crosswalk areas. A constituent lost her son in a crash in front of a high school here in Harrisburg, Bishop McDivitt High School, in a crosswalk area where there was a distracted driver who was obviously not paying attention and killed Owen. And so as a result of that, Owen's mother, Karen, came to me for wanting to do something good.